I know a lot of people are upset with me for not announcing the winner of the $50 contest that I had promised in one of my videos. Friends, it is not because I'm trying to save the $50, it was because I was genuinely busy with my other business. A lot of people ask me, Harminder, what are you doing if you're not teaching driving? So my friends, I am a licensed immigration consultant now, and if you want, you can check out my website and my YouTube channel. And so I provide immigration related services. Anyone who wants to immigrate to Canada or needs help with bringing their spouse or anyone here. So that is what I precisely do. So this is the reason I was not able to make any videos, because that business was busy. Now that every business has been affected by COVID-19 and everyone is home and there's a lot of time to spare, I thought I'll make videos, and I'll make videos in advance so that my viewers do not have any difficulty. I know a lot of requests have piled up. A lot of people want me to make a lot of videos. I am going to make videos on the request of all my viewers. So please, friends, please keep watching my videos. These are the videos that are going to help you pass your road test, and I really, really, really appreciate the love that you guys have given me, and that is the reason why at this point in time I'm thinking of making the videos. Otherwise I would have not thought about making the videos. Had you guys not been watching my videos, I would never have thought about making the videos. Please continue to give me that love so that it keeps me spirited to make more videos for you. So thank you very much. I am going to announce a winner tomorrow, so please stay tuned to watch the announcement that I am going to make tomorrow. So stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, because I'm going to bring a lot of videos for you. Thank you.